how to draw rDNA by restriction endonucleases EcoR1. So now let's draw vector DNA. One side you have the vector DNA. The other side you have the foreign DNA, or we call it as alien DNA. So this red color one is the vector DNA, and the black color one what I am drawing here is the foreign DNA. So we already know this restriction endonucleases will particularly see the palindromic sequence. TTC G AA TTC. Next here also the same palindromic sequence only. GAA TTC GAA TTC. So if you see here, this one will be the vector DNA, this one will be the foreign DNA. So after the same restriction enzyme only we are using here. So exactly it is cutting at this point and this point, this point and this point. What we are using here is EcoR1. So this EcoR1 will give you staggering ends. Again we have to draw it as G. So it is exactly cutting at the point of this. So now what we are doing is we are joining the foreign DNA with the vector DNA. So once again if you see, we are drawing the DNA. So we are drawing the combination actually here. So we are going to write GAA excuse me one thing. So GAATTC. Here it is AATTC. So this is how the foreign DNA, and actually here we got sticky ends. EcoR1, which is derived from EcoRY13, so that will give rise to sticky ends. So DNA ligase will join this. Now we call it as recombinant DNA. This is recombinant DNA. So these fragments are coupled by DNA ligase. So actually this will break the phosphodiester bond. Restriction endonucleases, molecular scissors. DNA ligase is molecular gum which will join and form the recombinant DNA. This is actually the EcoR1 recognizes GAATTC and it will cut between G and A. So this both vector and the alien DNA are cutting at the same point, and we are meeting the two staggering ends or sticking ends and forming recombinant DNA. This is the recombinant DNA by the action of restriction endonuclease EcoR1. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe for more videos.